everybody, and we're looking at this Spider-Man Homecoming homemade suit. So, yeah. Hey everybody. Alright, so we're gonna be opening the Spider-Man Homecoming old suit. Yeah, so let's open it up. So we have it out right now. It's a bobblehead, of course. Then it's got like the sign Spider-Man right there. Then it's got like the little web shooters right there. I don't know if you could see that. Yeah, web shooters, and then we got his like face and his hoodie. His eyes look pretty good. I like how he did it, and yeah, I just really like it because it's really cool and everything about it's really cool. Yeah, I'm also getting 3 new Spider-Man plushies that I will be using with videos. So, yeah. Anyways, just wanted to show this. Oh shoot, Spider-Man pop. Got blue sweatpants and then the jacket. His head kind of moves side to side. That's weird, but yeah. Anyways, that was Spider-Man Homecoming homemade suit. So, see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye.